You speak Welsh?
Like you should have asked the questions instead of Rob. Actually.
You're a bit taller than Rob, actually.
Sorry, concentrate now. 20 minutes. Hiya, I'm Tash Harding. I'm making up the numbers. Hiya! This is where the 25 minutes comes in. Oh, she's got it. That's it.
One question here, though.
Just one question. Just one question.
Oh, hello. His dancing's definitely on it. If it's not in the film, it's not going to happen ever again. It has to be on the film, surely. If it's not, bring it in.
We've got to get to Russia.
And
We've got to get to Russia.
I win. Oh yeah. Yes. Cinderella.
You back! Oh my god! Oh my god!